Digital transformation and sustainability are one and the same. And here's a great example. In Toronto, they built a new commercial building and saved $1 million on construction costs by making everything IP, Internet Protocol. So normally in the core of the building, you'll have about 35 networks running up. You have telephony, you'll have internet, you'll have fire, you'll have security, you'll have cameras, you'll have all sorts of networks, and then redundancy. Well, in this particular building, they made it all IP-based, internet-based, and they ran fiber up. So instead of running 35 network cables up, they just had to run one. So all of a sudden, when you use an IP-based standard, all costs come down as opposed to having 35 separate proprietary networks. The capital cost of building a building is only 30% of its lifetime cost. 70% is operating. So we need to make sure that buildings are as efficient as possible, because 40% of energy use globally is simply in buildings. Lighting in North America consumes 27% of our electricity use. And the shift from incandescent bulbs, which is a 100-year-old technology, to LED lights can reduce that usage by 80%. Every year, there are 4 billion electronic devices. Each of them is sold with a power supply. And those power supplies, when they are off, are still drawing power. But do you know these devices collectively consume 480 terawatt hours of power a year? That's equal to all the power that all the nuclear plants of France, which is 80% nuclear, all the nuclear plants of China and India produce collectively. So we are just scratching the surface of what is possible in terms of energy efficiency, fuel efficiency, and sustainability. All of it, we can look at. There are literally thousands of solutions that are very, very profitable that we're not engaged in.